All right, guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove your set valve on your Suzuki Gsxr 600. This is a 2015, but this should work for a 2011 and up. Also, I'll be showing you guys how to get the light off towards the end of the video, and we'll be taking it for a test ride as well. So if you're interested, make sure you stick around. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to need to loosen up these two bolts, and we're going to need a 10mm wrench for that, which I have right here. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that now. Take a 10mm, like I said, and you're going to want to loosen it up just like this so we can loosen that wire up. And remember, guys, I'm going to be telling you guys how to get the FI light off. After you loosen this up, just turn it in like this. You see how this is loosening up just like that? Same thing over here, loosen this up, and then you should just be able to remove it. Just loosen these up. And then that should just come out like that. Just like that. And just kind of, just like that, and disconnect it. These two little pieces just go in over here, if you can see that. So yeah, if you can see that, these pieces just go in here just like that. And make sure you have the key off when you're doing this, and the kill switch in the off position. Now it's disconnected. So I have the mid pipe off. You don't have to do that. And I went ahead and took off the fairings as well. So basically what it does is now it's just going to be open all the time. And I don't have the stock system anymore, so it's not really doing me any good. All right, so before I do anything else, I want to see if the light is on, the FI light. It is not. Perfect. Okay, so mine's not on because I got the bike tuned. It shouldn't come on, it should stay off. So to get the tank off, you're gonna need to remove these two Allen key bolts right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So a quick little tip too is to hold the tank up. Just a little tip right here. All you're gonna need to do is, I'm using a dirt bike strap, a strap that I use to strap down my dirt bikes on my truck. And I'm just gonna take it, be careful, and just kind of pull it up just like that. And it kind of just holds the tank up out of your way. This is the servo motor right here. So to get the servo motor off, what you're gonna have to do is there's 10mm bolts. You see that one right there, back there. You see that right where my pointer finger is, right there. There's one right there, and then there's one right behind those wires. It's really hard to see, but there's two. They're basically, yeah, they're just across from each other. You can, oh yeah, you see it right there? Yeah, there it is, right there. So there's two 10mm, and then it comes off like that. And then basically from there, you can remove the wires. So that's what we're gonna do, get that off. Basically what you're gonna do is these just go in here like this. These just come in here like that. Just pull this off like that, and that's all you're gonna have to do. Same thing on this side. And then from there, what you're gonna need is grab like a flathead and just do this. Take it in there, turn it in like that, and it should release the cables, I think. And then pull the cables up, guys. And then that should be it, just like this. Or pull them down, excuse me. Yeah, pull the cables down. Dang, this is actually kind of a hassle. I'm not going to remove the motor because it's not really going to make that much of a difference, but let's see here. There we go, I got it. Okay guys, so I have the cables removed. Basically what you're gonna wanna do is just pull them down. There's a coolant hose here, just press up against it to create a little bit more room, and make sure, if you can, you could get away with it, but there's a little metal piece, I don't know where it's at. Just make sure you remove that before you kind of pull it out. It's kind of easier to do it that way. Okay, so I wanted to talk about the FI light. The FI light comes on, which it will if your bike's not tuned. The best option to do would just be get the ECU flashed and it'll turn off. Or if you don't do that, you're gonna need, for this model, you're gonna need a servo buddy. With the older models, you didn't. You could just go to the ECU and there's a wire you can just pull, but on this one, you can't do that. There's no wire to pull for the exhaust valve. But if you get the servo buddy, you just basically unplug the servo and then just plug it into where you unplug the servo motor from. So that's how you would turn it off. But like I said, I recommend just getting a flash. I put it back on because, I don't know, you could take it off or put it on. If I took it off, I would just have a loose plug, so I just left it on, but it's not going to save any weight or anything, so it doesn't really matter. So you need a servo buddy, or you need to get the bike tuned. My bike's tuned, so the light didn't come on, so that's good, but I advise that you do this before you go get the bike tuned. I ended up doing it after, which I don't think is too smart, but yeah, so just do it before. And yeah, so this is pretty easy. To be honest though, I don't even know if it's worth the hassle of removing these. You could possibly, it's up to you, like it's your call. Like I said, your bike, your call. You could zip tie these up. I've seen people do that and kind of just get them out of the way. It's up to you. No one's going to see them or anything because the fairing's going to cover it. I did it the way I did it. You can kind of do what you want. You don't have to remove these. You can kind of, like I said, just get them out of the way if you want. That's up to you. And yeah, now we're going to go test ride it, guys, and see how it runs, see if it did anything. Okay, guys, so a few things I want to say before I get going. First off, you see my hands right here? These are the hands of a working man. Look at that. Anyways, got the pipe back on. Servo's disconnected. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now because I don't feel like doing that right now. I got some stuff I gotta do. I gotta kind of hurry. Let me just give you guys my first reactions, man. It's my first ride with it. No servo. I don't know why I didn't do this a long time ago. That was actually not that hard of a job at all. The hardest part was just running the wires out. Whew, jeez. Yeah, it's louder. I feel like it's already louder. Oh my gosh. The throttle response actually feels better. Dude, that's so much better. I can already tell. Oh my gosh, this thing is so loud. Holy crap, this thing's stupid loud, bro. I can already tell it's running way better. That was probably because I didn't disconnect it earlier, and the system thought that I had the exhaust valve on still, or you know what I'm saying. All right, I'm probably not gonna wait for this light. No, it's still backfiring. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the mid-range feels so much better. Suzuki lied, man. This feels way better without the exhaust valve. I can already tell you right now. And I'm only going like 40 miles an hour. Man, I'm so glad I did that. And I got no FI light on. Let's go. But man, this... Oh, there's a cop. Crap. I don't have my other GoPro on me because this is just a quick one, guys. A quickie. But yeah, man, it sounds good. Alright guys, that is going to wrap it up for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like on the video. If you guys want to subscribe, click this button right here. If you guys want to watch another video, click this over here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.